welcome to my channel. In today's video we will not be playing any game, and in today's video I will teach you how to develop an e-card on Google or any web browser. First of all, you have to go in the search and search for code.org and click on the first link. And when my account is signed in, so I have to sign out first. When you will log in, it will show an interface like this. So I have logged in to my account, so it is showing the user ID or email. You have to click on this option, which is continue with Google, and when you click on this, the interface will appear that which account do you want to choose. And after signing in, when you click on sign in, you will see an interface like this. Now you can click on create and then go on App Lab. And yes, now when we are on App Lab, we have to click on rename and rename the project as e-card. Yes. Now we will click on this design option and you can choose whichever theme you want. You can choose default, which is already there, classic, orange, citrus, ketchup and mustard, lemonade, forest, watermelon, area 51 and many more themes. So I like the theme blue and gold. So now first of all, you will place a text over here, label over here. You can see this is the label, and you will place it here, and you can write any text of your choice, and then increase the font size. Scrolling down, here will be a font size option, and then you can increase the font size. After that, when this is done, you will add an image over here and take any good image from Google to paste it here. And after that, add a button over here saying click me to continue. It will say click me to continue. Oh, I didn't get space. Continue. Yes. And then if you will go here and click on new screen. After that, you have to add one more label over here and same text of your choice, whichever you want, and increase the font size. If you want a picture over here and small text, so you can do that, but the picture should be small, because if the picture would not be small, the text would be if you want the picture big, so the text should be short, and if you want the big text, so the picture should be short. Then you can increase it like this, the text size, and you can find any quote or you can write any text of your choice. After that, we will add a button, and it will be yes. After that, when this is done, you will increase the size of this, and then you will click on this and click on new screen, and you can add any image. Like I want to add this image, so this will be the background image for me. You can add any image. You can also upload a file over here, clicking on the, when you are on screen, you can just click on choose and click the say the background image. After that, you have to put a label over here, as in every, or you can put it anywhere and put the text of your choice and increase the font size. After that, you will also add a button in the bottom of the screen and naming it click me to continue. Click me to go to the home screen. Go to the home screen. So now expand the size. Yes, I think I need to do more. Yes. Now the designing is done. You have to, I will explain you the designing from the first. First, you have to, on every screen, you have to get a label on the top and a image if you want. When on, and a button click me to continue. On screen 2, as in every screen, there will be a label for the heading, there will be an image, and there will be a label that will be the text of your choice. You can put any quote there, or you can put some message over there, anything you want. And then here there will be the button. And on third screen, first there will be the label, and then you can add any background image or something, and after that you will add a button which will be click me to go to the home screen. The designing part is done. Now let's come to the coding. When we want to go on coding, we click on code. So first we will put the first block, which is on event, and here there will be an option of ID. So this button's ID is button 1. Here you can see it. Now I will make it, click on this drop down and select button 1. And we don't have to do anything. We have to go to the down, and there will be an option, the third last option, which will be the set screen. When here we can add the set screen, and this is screen 1, and when I should click on this, we should move to screen 2, and this block is done. Now you can just left click on the mouse and drag this blue box into this, and press Ctrl and C at a time, Ctrl V and Ctrl V. After that, these blocks will be copied. Or the other thing you can do is, if you want to do a long process, so you can do like this, on event, and on this there will be button 2. So button 2, when button 2 click, set screen to screen 3, and when, in coding language, on event means when. So now it will be when button 3 clicked, set screen to screen 1, not a screen 4, because there is no screen 4. Now your app is working properly. Now to test your app, you just have to click on run. And first, because there is no image uploaded, so it is showing like this. Otherwise it would have shown me the perfect things. Now we will add some images and let's see if the app works. So yeah guys, as now you can see I have uploaded all the images from Google, and now let's see how the app is working. Wait, I think yes, everything's okay. Yes, now we will continue. So guys, as you can see, this is how the app works, and this is the e-card. I had to show you how to make this, and this is a very simple and easy for making a online e-card for your parents, for your any family member. So that is it for this video. We'll meet in the next video, and bye bye till the next video.